Hey friends, today we learn how to make your Facebook account completely public. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Click on three lines in the upper corner. Then scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy shortcuts. Click on take a privacy checkup. Click on who can see what you share. Click on continue. Change privacy from only me to everyone. After change to public, simply click on next. Change post and stories from friends to public. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on review another topic. Then click on how people can find you on Facebook. Then click on continue. Click on from friends to everyone. Then click on next. Then change your phone number or email from only me to public. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on review another topic. Go back. Click on see more privacy settings. Then click on who can see people pages and list you follow. Select public. Then go back. Then click on who can see your future reels. Click from friends to public. Now go back. Click on your profile. And you make your Facebook account completely public. If you like our video, please subscribe.